do this exercise, you're gonna build muscle, lose weight. So you're gonna do it all. You're gonna shred. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel Work Plus Gains. We're gonna hurt me get into this workout. It's gonna be working on the full body, but it's gonna really get you shredded, get you to get bigger, but also shred a lot of weight at the same time if you continually do these exercises. So it's like a little circuit workout, no timer, but you wanna hurt me get into it. I'm gonna be doing 5 reps for all these exercises. We're going with the bench. Go over here to the pull-up bar. Push-ups. So I know I did bench, which worked on my chest, but I'm doing push-ups because I want to convert that energy and strength over into my body so I can control my body better. 4, 5. So if you really want to lose a lot of weight, you need to make sure your diet's on point. So you can fast, eat smaller meals, eat more meals throughout the day, but have smaller proportions, or you can just go without eating, skipping meals. You can pick up your cardio, and you just gotta watch what you eat. Sometimes you gotta get rid of refined sugars. You gotta get rid of the bad fats that a lot of people like to eat and replace with healthy fats. And if you're trying to pick up size, you need to start eating some meals that got a little bit more higher in protein, so you can get that weight, get that muscle tissue. All right. So remember, my number is 5. You don't have to do it with this amount of weight that I'm using. You can do lighter, but if y'all do this exercise, you're gonna build muscle, lose weight. So you're gonna do it all. You're gonna shred, you're gonna increase your endurance, get a high level of cardio, so you'll be able to run a lot more. Now I'll switch my hands. Easier with the straight bar. All right, so that was just 1 round. You want to try to go all the way up to 5 if you can. If not, go 2 or 3. Whew. So this is a good way to translate also strength over into body weight exercises or over into calisthenics. By combining the 2 worlds, you can actually help both worlds get better. You don't have to be on one side of the world and stay over there like everybody else says. Whew. Whew. This workout used to make my army friends quit. They didn't like the idea of doing all this only counted as one round or one set. Yeah, I might only be able to make it to 3. I used to be able to go all the way to 5. And the highest number I got for rest was 10. But I kind of stopped doing this workout myself. But I need to shred some weight, get a little bigger, but I really need to lose weight for me. Let's go. Woo! Woo, boy. Woo. Come on. You recording? Don't disrespect the halfway. Oh, Lord. I know y'all see the pump, but I'm struggling. Woo. Like I said, it's gonna pump you up, get you a lot stronger. Your strength from lifting the weights going to pull-ups or calisthenics body weight would translate over very well, and vice versa. Stuff from calisthenics body weight is going to transfer it over very well to weightlifting. Don't let people discourage y'all from doing one or the other. They both got their positives, and you can say they both got their own negatives. So I'm just showing y'all this. This is something that I did when I was in the military. A lot of my army battles used to quit, but the few people who do it, they'll get bigger. They'll slim up weight, because to lose weight, you can do cardio, which you need to do cardio, but also you can do heavy lifting. You do heavy lifting. You can do light lifting with a lot of reps. You can do very explosive lifting. Pretty much just anything that's going to generate a lot of energy, a lot of strength, require you to use a lot of your well-being as a person to get something done. You're exerting so much energy. It's drawn from your fat, it's drawn from the calories, proteins, drawn from all that, and you burn it. So the more you do activities and certain exercises, you can ignite your metabolism, increase it. So let me hurry up, finish this last one. Come on, Sal. Too much talking. All right, in my 3 rounds. I love y'all, family. Workplace game, I'm out. Let's get it.